Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Digital Hut Tutorials. Today this video is about how to stop autoplay of videos in your Facebook account. So let's start. So this is my Facebook account, and here we can see, like, on the right hand side on top corner there are three lines. We need to tap on that, and we are going into settings and privacy, and under setting and privacy we have first option settings. So in settings we'll be looking for the option which is media contacts. So this is the option which help us to manage your autoplay videos. So I'm going to tap here. So if you see here, very first saying that videos in the new feed start with sound, so I'm going to disable it. Yes. And one more thing is, like, you can also enable from here, but other very good option here is autoplay. So in autoplay it is giving you the option whether you want to play the video with your mobile data or with Wi-Fi, or like you not at all want to play the video. So this is how, like, you can manage, because sometimes you get so busy and you randomly check your phone, and if autoplay is enabled in your account, you keep on watching the videos, and that way, like, you are not able to manage your time perfectly. So this is the way, like, you can uh, frequently disable or enable, like, on the basis of time you have. So this is all about the autoplay managing and the Facebook. Thanks for watching our video. Please do subscribe our channel for latest videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.